In this video, we're going to talk about what it means when you hear wheezing during oscillation. Are you ready? Let's go! Generally, expatriate wheezes indicate that there is an obstruction of intrathoracic airways, such as occurs with lung diseases like bronchitis and asthma. Wheezing may either be monophonic, which means that there is a single note, or polyphonic, which means that there are multiple notes. A monophonic wheeze indicates that a single airway is partially obstructed. Monophonic wheezing may be heard during inhalation and exhalation, or during exhalation only, and on the other hand, polyphonic wheezing suggests that many airways are obstructed, such as with asthma, and is heard only during exhalation, bronchitis, and CHF with pulmonary, and also can cause polyphonic wheezing. Thank you so much for watching, and hit the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe and be sure to comment. Let me know what you think. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video as always.